Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020, and today I went on some errands to look for medicine for my wife, which turned out to be a bit of a scavenger hunt since not every pharmacy that I went to had what I needed. I also wanted to show a bit of the BGC area from the air in the second part of the video, so enjoy.
So here's something you don't see very often. It's very little traffic. Not that there are no cars here, but very light traffic right now. Seems like there's a checkpoint to enter BGC in the outside world. Just trying to get in and let's see what happens when I pass by here. Apparently nothing. They check cars, but my shuffle vehicle went right through. And I'm inside DJI again. Alright, so I found a Mercury drugstore that has what I need, and that's the good part. The bad part is that there's a long line that goes outside of the store, and even to get to the line that goes to the store, there's another line. So yeah, this is where I'm at. There are all these people here waiting to get to that line that's by the store, and then inside the store there's another line. Oh, yeah, this is how it is now. Alright, well, after a long wait and getting inside finally, I got the medicine that I needed. The line inside is actually really short, which seems to be the case in most other stores that make people wait outside, because they just don't want the people to be crowded inside. You see how the prescription area is actually blocked off by plastic? It's pretty clever. I see a lot of stores doing the same thing. So this is the method that people are doing to keep safe.
Before ending this video, I wanted to share with you what this part of Metro Manila looks like. BGC, or Bonifacio Global City, is such an amazing place, and these days it's more peaceful than ever. Enjoy these breathtaking sights, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more videos like this one.
you.